You're scrolling through social media when you come across a post that makes you pause. There's a flash mob in Times Square. Out of nowhere, you see crowds of people dancing to music. You even find yourself smiling and dancing along. This happiness and excitement are more than just feelings. Your brain responding to images affects how it processes creativity, self-expression, joy, and even how you recover from stress. Likewise, the people in the video experience these effects. Their brains are also altered. The reason why it feels great is because this event is an expression of our human rights: the right to be ourselves, the right to take the action we see fit, the right to be part of the human family. Human rights, which include both your rights and the rights of others, are not just a moral or legal issue. They are also a matter of neuroscience. Our brain and human rights are more connected than you may think. Understanding this connection is crucial because human rights are not just theoretical concepts. They are present in our everyday lives with tangible roots in our biology and behavior. By exploring how respect, autonomy, and social connection contribute to healthy brain function, and how discrimination, stigma, and isolation can activate the brain's stress and threat centers, researchers crafted the idea of dignity neuroscience to help us understand the link between human rights and the brain. Dignity neuroscience promotes the idea that the protection of human rights is necessary for healthy brain development and function of all individuals in our society. Initially, scientists examined the renowned Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948, an international framework for protecting human rights. They categorized rights under 5 domains: agency, autonomy, and self-determination, freedom from want, freedom from fear, uniqueness, and unconditionality. When the rights in these domains are upheld, the brain can flourish. Take freedom from fear, for example. Feeling safe in an environment engages the prefrontal cortex and the anterior cingulate cortex, brain regions associated with positive emotions and creativity. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights has no direct language about science, but we now know that when rights are upheld, our brains thrive. Similarly, when human rights are violated, there's a negative impact on the brain. When someone experiences inhumane treatment, areas of their brain such as the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala are negatively affected. For instance, children who experience abuse are more likely to act on impulse, and adults who experience partner violence may experience issues with emotional processing. We can also think of the human rights that apply to everyday life, such as the right to freedom of thought and speech, or the right to go to work and make an adequate living. You're even enjoying the right to education by watching this video. These everyday rights are just a few of the many that exist for all people. Despite international legal protections, human rights are still violated, and the struggle for equal rights continues. For example, in over half the countries in the world, girls do not have the same equal access to education as boys. Further, a 2022 report from the International Labor Organization estimated that roughly 50 million people live in forced marriages or forced labor, which are forms of modern slavery. This struggle varies across time and geography, but we have a common goal of protecting human rights for every person. While the path to this goal can be rocky, dignity neuroscience provides a step forward fostering universal human rights. What are potential solutions? A grassroots understanding of dignity neuroscience has the power to inform new policies. For instance, local policies can be geared towards adequate housing, public health care, and equitable educational opportunities. These policies not only target basic rights but allow us to develop healthy brains, which we rely on every day to function. By protecting the rights of people around us, we can create a world where each person can thrive, from feeling welcomed and respected in the workplace to feeling safe while walking home at night. Everyone has these rights. Combating discrimination helps each person to lead a happy and healthy life. Human rights are not just about policies and international events. We can all contribute by spreading awareness about rights and the brain. Dignity Neuroscience is certainly not the whole solution to ensuring human rights, but it's a step in the right direction. By realizing the physical and mental benefits of upholding human rights, we can treat the human beings around us with the empathy and respect we all deserve. To continue learning more about the world around you, check out our previous SciTunes videos. You can also stay tuned about our upcoming projects by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.